Good morning. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog, and I'm here to do a ship with me for just one thing. It's Saturday and it's the 13th of December. I sold a tie yesterday afternoon, and this is it. It's a Tommy Hilfiger maroon. I said paisley. I'm not sure if you call this paisley. But this is the design. It's a silk Tommy Hilfiger tie. And this is the way I ship ties. I use an eBay bubble mailer. This size of an eBay bubble mailer. And I fold the tie first in half. And then I fold it so that the back half is beyond the point of the tie. I don't want the point of the tie to get bent. So then I just fold it so it will fit in the envelope. And then I'm going to wrap this in a tissue paper. I wrap it corner to corner. It's just... I think it's neater that way. And I just put a little thank you heart to stick it shut. So it's in this neat little package, and it's going in this bubble mailer. And that's how I ship ties. I have probably 100 ties upstairs. I reduced all the price of my all ties to $8.99. This sold for $8.99 plus shipping, and except I think for the few Jerry Garcia ties that I have left, and I think they're like $12.99. But yeah, trying to get rid of all my ties. But so far I've sold one since I reduced the prices. So there you go. This is going out to the bin on Saturday. And I'll see you in the next video.